Hey guys, hope you're all well. I did a short video a few weeks ago which many of you wanted more info on. So this video was posted on TikTok and Instagram. So I thought I'd do one for YouTube as well. The video was about changes to the driving test booking system and driving test notice periods. The DVSA intend to implement these changes in the summer of 2023, which is now, but still no date has been confirmed. The DVSA are saying that these changes are to encourage learner drivers to only book and take the driving test when they are properly prepared. There are two changes that they are planning to make. The first one that I'm going to talk about, I don't think it's really going to affect things massively, but the second one will. So the first change is extending the notice period for when you can cancel or change your test to 10 working days. It's currently 3 days, but they want to change it to 10 days. This change I think is quite good because if somebody does cancel their test, it allows another learner to book and have a bit more time to prepare rather than just having 2 or 3 days. Now the second change is extending the time period for those who failed the test. So currently if you fail your test, you have to wait 10 clear working days before you can sit another driving test. But the DVSA are planning to change that to 28 working days, so a whole month really. This change I'm kind of on the fence about. The DVSA are saying that this will give learners additional time to take more lessons and get more experience, which is a fair point for those learners who weren't ready and just went for a test. But there are many learners that are quite capable of passing a driving test and just get unlucky on the day of the test and make a mistake. And I don't think it's really fair for them to wait a whole month before they can go for the test again. The DVSA are using stats from February 2023 saying that it shows around 53% of learner drivers are failing their car driving test. And just from that, they're saying that this suggests more than half are not ready to take their driving test, which I totally disagree with. Just because somebody failed the driving test doesn't mean they weren't ready. I've had learner drivers that I would bet anything on passing their driving test that just make a silly fault and end up failing. And I've had learners who I think, they're going to need a bit of luck and they pass easily. So using stats like that to implement stuff like this isn't great. I kind of get what they're trying to do. They're trying to make sure that everyone's fully ready before they go for the test. But I don't think it's this change will have a massive impact on that. It would be better if a learner is judged on their overall driving performance rather than just a pass or a fail. I don't know, maybe say if a learner gets more than 2 serious faults, they have to wait 28 days, and anyone who gets less can go for it sooner. Just my thoughts, which obviously don't really matter. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It will be interesting to get your thoughts. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.